Hello, everybody, and welcome to Trade Ideas for the Week. This is Bud Fox with Ichimoku Trade, and we're going to go over a couple of trade ideas that I'll be looking at this week. First things first, our disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not recommend any trading at all. If you're going to engage in any trading of any financial instruments, you should consult with your professional investment advisor. Okay. So what we're going to look at is I'm going to go to a couple of ideas that I'm looking at. A lot of them are breakouts, which I normally don't do. I'm normally a pullback guy. But let's hurry up and let's go through this. So my first one is Seadrill Partners. First, what's my catalyst behind this stock? If you haven't noticed, oil has been raging lately. There was another mini breakout Friday. It was up $1.30 and change to 69.79. This oil is just headed above 70. And when stocks when oil gets into the 70s, 80s, stocks like Seadrill, they start to make money. So a $3 stock like this, if oil goes to 80, could easily double or triple. But first thing we're going to look at is we look at the charts, we can see there was an initial cloud break on this 4-hour, and we've just been consolidating. Now, one thing I like to look at are the crosses. So if you see the multi-time frame crosses, they were down at 305, 306, and we waited, and we waited, and we waited, and never pulled back. Now it looks like you're going to have oil trading above 70. 340 is only a couple of pennies in front of us, and now the crosses have just moved up to like 327, 328. So telling me this is probably going to be make or break time this week for this thing to break out. So if it breaks out, I would say above 340 would be the level. The only thing that could make this whole situation weird is they have a 10-cent dividend Monday, which is tomorrow. So this thing could open down at like 323. So we'll see what happens, but I will definitely be looking at this one. My next one, Sea Change International. Now this could go either way. I'm still waiting for the pullback to the crosses at 291, but again, this thing just shot up and it's consolidating, and it just doesn't seem like it wants to pull back. So this is a 4-hour. I'll be looking at either one. I'll take the 290, or if this thing breaks out, I think I'd be willing to take a shot on this as well. Got the green shaded area on this one. You had it on Seadrill as well. So you can also see that Cajun's moving up. So again, this could be do or die for this week on the breakout. And finally, I have one more. Limelight Networks. I like this stock. They came out with great earnings. You can see the earnings bar. And again, man, it just doesn't pull back. I would have loved to have bought it on a pullback to that 450 level. Not happening. It looks like this thing's cracking 530 and just wants to go. There is no green shaded area here, but this is just a continuation trade that looks like it going to keep going. I would definitely buy a pullback to the crosses as well, and I would be looking for these crosses to move up soon at some point. Other than that, those are my 3 ideas for the week. This is Bud Fox with Ichimoku Trade. If anybody has any questions, you can send us an email at info@ichimokutrade.com. Otherwise, best of luck to all of you out there, and happy trading.